Here I've got Ulefone Armor 6E, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first let's open the messages, then click on Start Chat, pick or enter whichever number you would like to have because it doesn't matter, and then tap on the More icon, got it, click on Settings, and now pick Languages. Here you can click on Add Keyboard to select one from the following languages. As you can see, you can pick whichever you would like to have, so let me choose this one and click on Done. Now let me remove Polish and English, tap on bin icon, and let's go back. As you can see, the keyboard language has been changed. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change keyboard language in your device. Then if you would like to go back to English or change it one more time, simply tap on More icon, then Settings, go to Languages, Add Keyboard, and pick English or whichever language you would like to have. You can remove this one, or obviously you can leave it to have both of them included. And this is it. So that would be all. This is how you can change keyboard language in your Ulefone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.